Hello guys, this is Surya. In this video, I'm going to make a MI flashing USB cable. For making an homemade MI flashing cable, we need an ordinary USB cable. With an MI flashing cable, we can make any hard brick or bricked mobile into EDL mode. Okay. Now we make an MI flashing cable with an ordinary USB cable. For this, we have to cut the USB cable like this. You have to peel off the outer layer first of MI of any USB cable with a working USB cable. Now you have to make a point. Now you have to find the green and black wires. Now you have to find green and black wire. Have seen here? Okay, like this. Now you have to peel off the outer layer on that wires. Then we have to peel off the outer layers, and the copper of both the wires have to be come outside like this. Now we have to attach that both copper wires, black and green wire. After that, we have to attach the both green and black wire with a copper wire. Both the wires have to touch with each other like this. Black and green wire have to be touched like this. Now connect after connecting the both wires like this, we have to connect the mobile port of USB cable to our mobile. Make sure your mobile was switched off, otherwise this method was not work. Make sure your mobile has to switch off. Now connect the USB port to our laptop or PC or system. Make sure now your mobile was not charging. Have seen that your mobile was not charging after connecting the cable. Now you have to dismantle this attachment. Now we have to dismantle attachment. Now you have to avoid the contact of both green and black wire. Now your phone was successfully entered into EDL mode. You can check it by seeing your device manager in our laptop. Just check it. Here here you can see your laptop was recognized your phone in download mode. Have you seen that? QD loader 9008. That means you have successfully make your mobile into ideal mode. Now you can, now with the help of entering into ideal mode, you can flash any custom ROM in your bricked MI mobile with MI flash tool. This is a great method for hard bricked or semi bricked mobiles, soft bricked mobiles, and also it is, this video was very helpful. Thank you very much. Goodbye. I will come back with another amazing video.